Alright, welcome back to Gansaw Games. We've got some more product reviews from Survival Frog. I'm going to try out some of their canned turkey. It's supposed to be good for 25 years. I'm going to use canned products that you might have around after the apocalypse. And some dried mashed potatoes that will definitely stick around after the world blows up. Also got some bread here, which you could probably make yourself during the apocalypse if you have some wheat. I'm just going to dump that right in the pan here. Juice and all. We'll get that warmed up, get the gravy going, taters on, turkey Manhattan time. Heating up a couple of small cans of gravy, turkey gravy. Got some water boiling for the mashed potatoes. Fresh ground pepper. You probably won't have these fancy salt and pepper grinders during the apocalypse, and this meat is fully cooked. Cooked in a sealed can is the way it lasts 25 years. For more information, you can look it up on Survival Frog's website. We like lots of pepper here. We'll have the potatoes. Get them taters mixed up real good. Alright, the turkey's nice and warm. And go ahead and shut this off. Get your bread down there for the Manhattans. Put you some mashed potatoes on there. Put a little bit of this turkey meat on there. Now we wait on the gravy to warm up because I forgot to turn it on. And you just add a little bit of gravy over the top of that, or bunch, however you prefer. Alright, there's the finished product. Let's give it a try. That's really good stuff. Get your can today at survivalfrog.com. And it's Baba approved too. They also have pork, chicken, beef, and hamburger. Thanks for watching. See you next time.